Wee-yaw. Good morning, welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we are working on the 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi V8 4x4, and we're replacing the rear shocks with these Bilstein 4600s. This is going to be a DIY video so that you can save a couple bucks instead of going to your mechanic, get a little more familiar with your truck, and that's all I want to say because you don't want to listen to me talk anymore and you want to listen to a goose squawk. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to do the driver's side first because it's going to be easier to access. Then we'll move to the passenger side. You're going to come in between your fender well and your tire, go straight back, and you'll see this is a 21mm bolt right there. But the frame there, you got one hole, two hole bolt. I got a whole bunch of extensions here. You don't need this many. I'm just being lazy instead of climbing up under there, so I can be way back here. Grab my ratchet. Yes, I'll link these shocks, and yes, I'll link this ratchet down below. Put it on the loosen setting. Oh! There we go. Bust it loose. Goes loose. Okay. Bolt should be pretty close to coming out. That's the retaining nut that just fell on the other side. And there's your bolt. Now the fun part, we get to go underneath. For the underside, it's 21mm here. There you go. Put it on the loosen setting. Get your crescent wrench to retain. See if I can make this look as awkward as possible. That nut can come out. Boop. And then if you're lucky, you can just hammer this right out. Just like so. And there's your shock. Alright, so we got your old shock, which is a no-namer. It's so old. Oh, it's a Duralast. They got these from AutoZone. Yeah, let's replace it. Nothing against AutoZone, but man, there's such a thing as quality, and Duralast isn't always the best quality. That's all I'm going to say for right now. Alright, so now this is going to go back in just the same way that that came out, hopefully, ideally. Alright, so on these ones, you're going to leave the dust boot up. And wow, these need to be compressed quite a bit. So we're actually going to put the top in first. Yep. Shock. When you pick it up, you're going to slide your bolt through the pin. Now your shock's hanging from up top. Come back down here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to push up to compress. Yeah, you're robbing the boat. Yeah. Okay, once you get it semi in place, have your bolt ready. This is a lot of fun. You can compress. You could just pick up the body of your truck, but that's no fun. You don't get to feel manly that way. Whew. Okay. Now we're ready to slap that in as soon as we compress this. Not happening. Alright, your shock is hanging low. Just go ahead and slide your bolt in. It came in this way. Boop. Put your nut on. Put your ratchet on the tighten setting. Okay, at this point, you can go ahead and cut the shock, the retaining strap. Whoop, get that out of your way. We're done down there. Come back up to the top. You can take your nut right here. You can stick it in. Put it on the back side of your bolt, if you can reach. Alright, we just barely put that retaining nut on. We should be able to go ahead and get started with screwing that bolt back together. Okay. Whoop, whoop. All right, and you got one side done. That bright yellow Bilstein. All right, your passenger side is going to happen almost the exact same way. You're going to have, only this is in front of your tire instead of behind. You've got light bolt on. And down here, you got your frame, and then you got this bolt right here. Is your frame right as it starts to slope downward, right in front of this bed mount. Boom, boom, there is your nut. Go ahead and pull that off just like we did on the other side. Whee-oh! All right, congratulations on another DIY job taken care of. You guys have replaced your shocks, rears and fronts. I got a video on the fronts. I've got a little playlist going on this truck. We got new headlights, new third brake light, new shocks all the way around. Check them out, guys. I got a few others coming as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Tell me how much you've saved by DIY, and let me know any tips or tricks you got. Adios.